Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your FedEx package online and monitor your delivery in real time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to locate your FedEx tracking number, which you can find in your confirmation email or on your shipping receipt. Once you have your tracking number ready, open your web browser and go to fedex.com or launch the FedEx mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already signed into your account, you'll want to do that now to access all tracking features. On the FedEx homepage or app dashboard, look for the tracking section. You may need to tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access the menu. Select the Track option from the menu, then carefully enter your complete tracking number in the provided field. After entering your number, tap the Track button to view your package's current status and delivery progress. You'll now see detailed information about your shipment, including its current location, the last scanning update, and the estimated delivery date. For real-time updates and live map tracking, be sure to enable notifications or follow your delivery through the FedEx Delivery Manager feature. This fantastic service shows your package's exact location on a live map and provides constant updates about its arrival time, giving you complete visibility of your delivery from start to finish.